The truck's filthy. We're going to load the hives. I'll have to remove the bee netting. From there to here, let's go. We're supposed to arrive at 3 p.m., and I'll get there at 3:30. The guy's calling me. He's already called twice. I need to use the bathroom real quick, so it's good that I'll get there and load up. Look at that, folks. I never get tired of seeing this. Man, what a shame. If you love something, you take care of it. Look, we'll make it spotless again. The hood's not opening, guys. Good thing I changed the oil last time. Imagine if it wouldn't open in an emergency. Let's go. Take in the scenery, my friends. Look at these beautiful landscapes. There are lots of farms here in the mountains. Check out that irrigation system on the farms. It's winter now, so you can't see much. I'm almost there. I'm going to pick up the hives. The hives are nervous. The guy booked me to transport bees, but this looks like a very modest residential area. Look, everyone has their cart by the door. For those who know, this is considered a slum in the United States. They all have air conditioning and heating because it gets very cold here. It can drop to -20 or -30. I'm in Idaho. This is a slum. You see the slum of the United States. Paulandina, it's a lot to take in. The guy told me to wait out front. Let's see if the car is there. Cars are very cheap here. Old cars, you know. Everyone has their own car. I arrived and they told me to drive into the warehouse. What's good and bad about loading inside the warehouse? The bees will be angry, but it'll be warm in there. You know, it's going to be intense. Here in Floridence, it's very cold, and they're keeping the bees inside to keep them warm. Look how crazy that is, my friends. Now I can't leave without the people and the gear. It was so cold I wasn't even thinking about putting on the suit, but now in this situation, Paulin has to put on the bee suit. Look, you'll see, my friends. If I get out without the suit, I'll get stung. There were already some flying around outside. I've got my pants here. You're crazy. It's mine. He's going to tell me to stop here. You see how this load arrives and gets loaded, right? I'm exhausted and tired, but arriving and loading up feels good. Look, 2 machines there, 2 forklifts waiting for us. The guy's already wearing his mask. He told me to put on my suit. I'm going to put on my suit and get out. Hey, Bruno, don't take a photo. No photo, no photo. Friend, look at their setup. It's dark on purpose so the bees don't get stressed. First time. I just pulled up here and they're already loading. I didn't even have time to remove my tarpaulin. They're starting to remove it for me. My wood is under the trailer. It's pitch black in here. I'll wait for them to load everything. The guys down there are running and removing the wood. Look, my friends, check out their setup. 2 forklifts, 3 guys. They're real gringos. They're top-notch Americans, folks. I'm wearing my suit because the bees are... It's warm in here. And when it's warm, the bees get aggressive. So, I've got the suit on now. Look at the size of this structure. There must be more than 10 truckloads of bees here. Must be more than 10 loads. It's my first time loading in the dark. The good thing is they'll do everything for me. Put on the tarpaulin, tie everything down. So I'll leave here without a hitch. I put on the suit because, you know, folks, the bees sting.